Oh, go on, people. Welcome back to a brand new update. In this one, we have Foota hype talk about bounty killer. Plus, we also have an incident that happened yesterday with a policeman unaliving his girlfriend. Viewers and subscribers, we have some topic we need to touch points. So watch on one, leave a like, subscribe, click that bell to be notified so you do not and will not miss a brand new upload. You see me? Big up on yourself like always. Make we jump right into it. So Valiant and Meat Mill recently linked up. Meat Mill is an American rapper. Me wonder if there's going to be a collab in the making soon, because I don't know, say Meat Mill and Chronicler recently linked up also. So me wonder if there's a collab, if there's a body of work out there coming soon. We can just sit back and look out for that. But yeah man, it's a good link up. Big up the entertainer, them same way viewers and subscribers. Make me know when I think about that. So this came out yesterday, and it's an article about what happened with the policeman unaliving his girlfriend. And it says the victim, 21-year-old DeAndre Peter Gay Graham, also known as Maya, was a teaching assistant at an infant school. Her life was cut short in the estate community of St. Mary when a reported argument over a phone call spiraled into deadly violence. According to circulating allegations, the couple had traveled to Kingston earlier that day when Graham received a phone call that reportedly triggered the dispute. It is unclear who the caller was, as this was not mentioned. While returning home, the disagreement escalated to a boiling point, leading to the officer fetching his service firearm. When they arrived, it ended with the police constable, who is assigned to St. Andrew North Division, using his gun to shoot Graham in the head. He then aimed his Glock service pistol at his own head and fired. He survived and is currently hospitalized in stable condition under police guard. Graham, however, was pronounced dead at the scene. So, viewers, this whole incident, it happened yesterday, like I said. But Jano, you don't know, so we not promote no violence on the channel, no violence against women, no violence against nobody. So it's a sad situation that happened, and police still investigate the whole matter of all of this. So just leave your thoughts down below in the comment section. Just let me know what you think about this, and remember, subscribe if you want to reach this far.
I wanna go to the Batman style. I wanna love Trace for man, so. I wanna love put on a gurgle and Trace for man, so. When you hear me and bounty killer have with thing them, when you not say nothing, if you lock on the mouth and keep on the mouth quiet. Shut in the fucking mouth. Shut in the mouth. Killer know say him and a victim. When me talk and I burn me fire, killer know say him and a victim. You hear that? Killer know say me have a right to burn any fire when me have burn. And talk anything when me a talk. You hear killer come out of Trace like you. Eh? And you not learn. You know, she say when we get up and kill each other and war over artists. And artists just get up when them ready and decide to be back friend and not care about nobody with that war. And not care about nobody will get hurt and no feelings will get hurt and nothing. Them decide so them want to be back friend and everything done. So we not get up and take up on the head. If killer get up a man and say man Foota hype go link, what you can do to stop it? You think if Missy Bounty Killer now I go over to him and say, DJ, what go on? He will thump me in my face? You think that going happen? That will never happen. That will never happen. So when you come out of that, man, and Lord that, man. Me as a man, I just stand for my principles and my values, and I know what I know, and I stand up and what I truly believe in. Oh, everybody have a problem with a human being. We believe in a self-value. We believe in him worth. I don't understand, you know. Someone that fall around the door know nobody. Who don't know killer for real. Who don't know me for real. Who don't know nobody for real. Who just see some things on the internet and start put on a gurgle and start chase like bitch. Bounty killer know say whenever me event, And whenever me get in my vibe and burn my fire, me deserve to burn it. Him know that. Him know say me are one of the most loyal youth ever they run him. And if him never hurt me, me couldn't style him. I me seen up on our talk but now Foota this did I say this yes, how now show the part them when killer did I do. How now show when killer diss me how much months I me never say nothing. Killer diss me how much months me do the video on the car, I do the ads, him style me. Oh when your man buy your car, when you on your man car skin out, me do my foot on my hand, I get me foot shall and my hand shall. The man put it up and post say when your man a carry up on date and you fix up to your man. Oh no not talk about them something there. Oh no not talk about how much months killer diss me and me not say nothing. Me a Mataran put up one picture and put up 2 Batman. Ray Tate, he was living for me. Me never answer him yet. Until him disrespect my daughter. When him diss my daughter, me lose it. And me style him, and me diss him, and me talk a bag of something. And me not take it back, and me not apologize for it because of him cause it. A film action cause my reaction. You understand what I say? A film action caused my reaction. So I will never apologize for my rant when me go up and never, ever. Because it was deserving. So killer can't complain of victim. And killer they have a business more time. And only the followers are going like say Foota this loyal and Foota ungrateful and Foota a sellout. Like what? So you are this me for over 4 or 5 months and me not say nothing. And you start this me pick me too. And if you take it, come here idiot. Wanna go sit down, yeah? Wanna try go sit down. Killer owe me apology. Killer owe me a sorry. Cause the time I him and Mataran war, me and him never have nothing. Me and him never have nothing, you know. But through me and Mataran there road and I take picture and do something. You just start this me too. You understand? So someone wanna look at Batman. Cause I'm not happy Batman. Me no soon get up on different ladies, na Shensia, na Chanel Muir, na Vanessa Bling so. But when it come to man, mighty God, on a different man on a different level, you know man.